Okay, this is called Largo do Lilau. And we're just gonna highlight some of the stuff. We'll just kind of do a brief one and then we're gonna come and do it in detail. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Lilau Square. So we're just gonna take a walk. They got a little kiosk right here. And then you can keep going all the way up the street, but let's just kind of check out some of this detail of these things. Nice little courtyard things. Looks like that kind of ends right there. Okay. Oh, that looks kind of nice. Interesting. Okay. So we're gonna highlight on this Lilau Square. There's a kiosk right there. It's a rainy day, but usually there'll be people out there. There's Rua de Lilau and Largo. So Lilau Street, Lilau Square. Pretty beautiful little street, actually. Really beautiful. So much detail everywhere in here. Yeah, there's a lot of detail in this area. Like those big lanterns too. Giant tree. I wonder if we can go up that. It's private residence, maybe? It's beautiful. So this right here has some significance. So I heard that there's like a poetry about this one, about whoever drinks of this fountain will fall in love with Macau and never leave, something like that. So this has like some poetry connected to it. It's pretty beautiful, especially if you go like that and you can kind of capture this park a little bit. Yeah, it's real nice. Too bad it's raining today, because we're not really able to capture all the beauty of the street. Looks nice. Place to sit right there too. Yeah, I think we can also go up into that area as well. Let's just see what all we can do. So that's a kiosk right there. So they have food and drinks. So a lot of people will come in here and sit and enjoy. And I kind of want to capture this too, because this is kind of cool looking street. So you got this kind of star thing right here, and then you have this Pudebara Street. Yeah, and you got this kind of cool thing too. Like that looks amazing as well. And you have the Mandarin House right here as well. Right there. So that's kind of a tourist attraction. It's closed right now, but that's some information about it. It's about a famous merchant who made a lot of money in Macau and built his house in Macau. Anyways, that's all around this Lilau Square. So we're gonna come back in here. So the fountain down that way. I think what we're gonna do, I just want to check out, there's like Beco de Lilau. So it's another street that could be kind of interesting just to walk up in this one. And there's also another one up here too. So I'm just gonna let you know that they exist. Cotai de Lilau as well. That might be its own little street right there. Anyways, we're gonna end it in this video. Kind of a cool little area. Chiquinha, chiquinha.